I'm going to show you my day. The first thing I like to do in the morning is go on a walk. Going on a walk is one of the best parts of my day because I get to move my body and I get to smell all the different scents that the other dogs and people and other animals have left behind while I've been sleeping. I really like when I'm able to take my time and smell anything that I want, anything I want to identify or make a connection from a previous day or learn something new about. Not only is this fun for me, but it is really good exercise for my brain. I also like to leave a scent behind for others. By the end of my walk, I'm a little worn out from all of the mental exercise, but I always have energy to run up the steps. After my morning walk, I'm usually hungry for breakfast, but for me, it's not very much fun to eat out of a bowl. So I play with this thing here called a wobbler. This makes getting my food a game. We also use items like water bottles or any other container that makes it challenging to get food out of. This one took me a long time. The human friends I live with usually leave around the time I finish my breakfast. If they leave me something to do that encourages me to lie down and take my time, it helps me relax while they are gone for a good portion of the day. This is the time of day I get in my best nap. When my human friends get home in the afternoon, we always spend time together. Sometimes we'll spend time playing with a toy, other days, my humans will groom me. For me, this is a light brushing to help with my shedding. I shed a lot. But my absolute favorite thing to do with my humans is to learn new things. We do this by using positive reinforcement and work on learning new tricks and practicing skills. We usually go on one last walk in the evening so I can stretch and get some more smelling in and help me get nice and hungry for dinner. This is another way I like to eat my food, just in a rolled up towel, because it encourages me to use my brain and challenges me to hunt and smell for my food. I tend to have one last burst of energy before bedtime. I get my human's attention by being very cute and playing with a toy. After this, we spend time winding down and just relaxing and cuddling before I wrap things up and fall asleep for the night.